My name is Nicholas Kipto. I'm a teacher of Dakali Secondary School, biology and chemistry subjects. STEM is a abbreviation which stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And in this region of Dadaab, for instance, in these schools of Window Trust, this school, Dakale, is one of the schools chosen to undertake this program of STEM. And it is like, this is the first school they are doing a piloting. And we have around 6 schools in this camp under Window Trust. In this, we have Dakale, Tawakal, and the others from 2 in Ifo and 2 in Akadera.
My name is Sido Aliara. I'm a
Blue and we have alkaline basic. Let my friend do the practical.
I can tell our students that STEM is an abridgment to education and development which integrates other areas of science and technology. Therefore, through STEM, they can have other skills like solving problems and creativity.
You can see we have sparks of light on the surface. So now the solution that will be formed here, when you react sodium with water, it is alkaline. It enhances teamwork and collaboration, whereby students do works or do projects as a team, provide sustainable solution to problems. STEM, it enhances youth here, or it come up with what's called, to come with a critical thinkers, learners, and also with to be innovators in future, to come up with new products that will help to reduce challenges that will facing us daily in our daily activities or in our local community.
si aad u hesho warbixinaha kale. Mahadsanid.